No, thank you.
No, gracias.
I don't even need to qualify, I'm vegetarian.
Ni siquiera necesito cualificar, soy
You
vegetariano.
know, I was with some people for years and years.
Estaba con gente durante
They
años
came
y
over,
años.
I just said, no,
Me
thank
ofrecían
you.
cosas, decían no, gracias.
2 days later, no, thank
2
you.
días después, no, gracias.
It never even occurred to them he's vegetarian.
Ni siquiera se les ocurrió, es vegetariano.
Because they didn't want to know anyway.
Ellos tampoco lo querían saber,
I didn't need to tell.
pero no necesitaba decírleselo.
No, thank you.
No, gracias.
Always polite.
Siempre educado,
No frustration.
sin frustración,
No reaction.
sin reacción.
Thank you very much. Very kind of you.
Muchas gracias, muy amable.
I'm okay.
Estoy bien. Está bien.
Sí.
Because you go, and when you catch it, you go away from just being with you.
Cuando tú lo agarras, es que te acabas de salir de ti misma.
Empty of all the reaction and just full with self.
Vacíate de toda la reacción y llénate de tu ser.
It's a training. You can train
Es
yourself.
un entrenamiento, te puedes entrenar a hacer esto.
And their discomfort is their discomfort, and you don't have to rescue them from that.
Y su incomodidad es su incomodidad, tú no tienes que rescatarles.
And no matter how much they throw it at you, you don't have to catch it and subject yourself to it.
Y no importa cuánta te echen hacia ti, tú no tienes por qué cogerla y sujetarte a ella, someterte a ella.
But it means you have to do something else instead.
Pero quiere decir que tú tendrás que hacer alguna otra cosa en su lugar.
You have to change your priorities,
Tienes que cambiar tus
which is
prioridades,
about choice,
que es acerca de la elección,
consciousness and choice.
la conciencia de la elección.
I choose just be.
Yo escojo estar,
I don't choose to interact with all that stuff.
no escojo interactuar con todo
I
esto.
leave it where it is. It's out there. And
Déjalo
there,
estar, está ahí
psychic
fuera.
field, and leave it out there.
Está en ese campo psíquico y lo dejo ahí.
I choose to be.
Escojo estar, ser.
It's a different priority.
Es una prioridad diferente.
You have to decide the priority.
Tienes que decidir tu prioridad.
Conscious being will continuously reinvest in that choice. It's not a choice you can do just in the morning and think it will last you all day.
El estar consciente es algo que se es como se automotivará a sí mismo para continuar en ese estado, continuar estando consciente. No es algo que puedas hacer en la mañana y ya está.
You have to re-establish that thought frequently through the day until it's a permanent state, which can take many years of training.
Tienes que estar continuamente restableciendo ese pensamiento durante el día hasta que se vuelva un estado permanente que puede llevar muchos años de
I
entrenamiento.
fully acknowledge it's a tough discipline, but there's a consequence from it. The result is good.
Reconozco totalmente que es una disciplina difícil, pero hay una gran consecuencia. El resultado es bueno.
Think about it. If you don't start now,
Piénsalo, si no empiezas
you
ahora,
know, every day is a day lost.
cada día es un día perdido.
And not training yourself to this priority.
En no entrenarte con esta
Yeah.
prioridad.
You can't afford to lose these days. The older you get, the less days you can afford to lose.
No te puedes permitir perder estos días. Cuanto más
Yeah.
mayor te vuelvas, no puedes permitirte perder estos días.
Right now you get conscious.
Pero ahora eres consciente.
And the more conscious you get, like you see more of the Maya,
Y cuanto más consciente te estás volviendo, como cuanto ves más de la mente,
also the more conscious you get, the more you feel like, now I don't want to waste another day with this.
cuanto más conciencia tienes, más decides que no quieres gastar ningún día más con esa cosa.
Don't go where you don't want to go.
No vayas donde no quieres ir.
I'm not going there.
No voy ahí.
Okay, where am I instead?
Ok, ¿dónde estoy yo entonces?
Oh, I'm just here.
Ah, yo estoy aquí.
That's important.
Eso es importante.
This is priority.
Esto es prioridad.
I'm with myself.
Estoy con mí mismo.
Because if I'm not with myself, where am I?
Porque si no estoy conmigo mismo, ¿dónde estoy yo?
In the seduction,
En la selección,
in the game,
en el juego,
in the emotion,
en la emoción.
yeah, where am I?
¿Dónde estoy yo?
If I'm not with me.
Si no estoy conmigo mismo.
This must become a priority.
Esto se tiene que volver una prioridad.
That is what we call the springboard to consciousness.
Porque ese es el trampolín a la conciencia.
If you want to jump into consciousness every day, you have to establish I'm with me.
Quieres saltar a la conciencia cada día, tengo que establecer el estoy yo conmigo mismo.
That's the foundation.
Esos son los
It
cimientos.
must become priority.
Tienen que volverse una prioridad.
I came alone,
Vine solo
I go alone.
y me iré solo.
So keep that contact all the way through.
Así que mantén ese contacto todo el camino.
It's worth it. You do
Vale la
this
pena.
training.
Haces el entrenamiento.
Yeah, over a couple of years, you'll enjoy the fruit of that.
Si haces entrenamiento, al cabo de unos cuantos años disfrutarás del fruto de todo esto.
Just a very brief comment.
Solo
When you were
comentario
saying to
corto.
her, don't focus on to that,
Yeah.
the disgusting thing and this. when you say that, thank you to that, when you used to say, because you are remembering me by your own opposition, my own commitment. It's making us more strong that that's what I choose. You understand?
No.
Mm-hmm. In some other occasions, you are saying, okay, thank you for being so in that way, no, in this, because you are just remembering me, my own commitment.
That's what happens.
En algunas ocasiones
Yeah.
le dices a alguien, gracias por ser como eres porque me estás recordando a mí mismo mi propio compromiso.
Yeah.
But see, that has to be quick.
Pero aquello tiene que ser súper rápido.
No, thank you.
No, gracias.
But then,
Pero
the
entonces,
very next moment,
en ese instante siguiente,
therefore, I am with me.
por lo tanto estoy conmigo mismo.
Instead of, oh,
En
no,
lugar de,
why do you keep asking?
no, ¿por qué me sigues pidiendo?
No,
Déjalo
I
en
don't want
paz,
that.
no lo quiero.
Or whatever.
O lo que sea.
The thank you
El gracias
has to finish it for me.
tiene que acabar.
They might go on,
Ellos pueden que sigan,
but my thanks, if it doesn't work to say, I'm not going there, it's
Pero-
not interesting,
pero mis gracias, el decir no voy a entrar ahí, no me interesa,
okay, I'm not catching it,
no lo cojo,
I'm not hooking into it,
no me quedo enganchado en ello,
I'm not focusing on why is this still
no
happening,
me concentro en por qué está esto
how
pasando,
unpleasant that they're still
que
doing
es
it.
agradable, que siguen haciendo
None of this is
esto.
my focus.
Nada de esto es mi enfoque.
Thank you, it's okay.
Gracias, está bien.
In that second,
En ese segundo,
I'm with me.
estoy conmigo,
Thankful.
Mm.
está lleno de agradecimiento.
Where does the thanks come from?
¿De dónde vienen las gracias?
Me.
De mí mismo.
So if I'm thankful,
Entonces, si estoy lleno de gracias,
then I'm full in me.
estoy lleno en mí mismo.
I'm in thanks.
Estoy en las
If
gracias.
I'm trustful,
Si estoy lleno de
I'm
confianza,
in the trust.
estoy en la
I'm
confianza.
not out there.
No estoy ahí fuera.
Yeah, but even that which is out there, the disgusting thing becomes a transformation for a remembrance. What was disgusting?
It doesn't transform. It is what it is. I engage it for one single purpose, to come back to me. That's all.
Mhm.
It may or it may not transform. It may or it may not be influenced by my thanks. It doesn't matter to me.
No, it gets transformed in
It doesn't
yourself.
transform in me. It's still out there. They're doing what they're doing, saying what they're doing, saying whatever. That's not transformed. What is happening is I am simply come back to self-remembrance. That's all.
Yes. Mhm.
I come back to self-remembrance. The same thing that hooked me before into drama, now, because of my gratitude, reminds me to come back to me. That's all we're saying.
Yeah.
What has changed is my attitude towards it.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Just want to be very clear with what we're saying.
I think that it was.
It's
yeah,
what you
it-
meant to say,
Yeah,
I
it was
suppose
that.
so. I'm sure.
So that's the transformation from your inside. What was the
What's transformed? When you say transform, what has transformed?
What
To be
you
clear.
before could see it like an obstacle,
Your perspective has transformed.
your perspective.
Okay, this is what
It's-
needs to be clear.
Yeah, it's becoming a remembrance.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you even say this in Spanish?
Sí.
Go ahead.
No, pues que bueno, que nada, que lo que hay de obstáculo alrededor, en vez de ser un obstáculo, se transforma. Tu actitud o tu perspectiva en tu interior hace que se transforme en un recuerdo de cuál es tu prioridad en ti mismo.
That's it. Simple.